which side is better, let me know in the comment section below. Both of them pretty fire.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, we got another fire box, that Nike box, that Air Max box. We talking about the Air Max Deluxe. This is a shoe I kind of slept on for a minute. I've seen it, didn't really, go after it too much, but after just seeing it too much in person, I wanted to get my hands on it, get a closer look, get your thoughts and opinions on the shoe, and I think I'm gonna keep these bad boys. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video or this shoe. And like I said, if you are new, you gotta subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're almost to 5K subscribers. Shout out to each and every one of you guys, and shout out to everybody who comes out to the live streams. I try to do that as often as possible. So if you want to get your chance to, rock with your boy live and in direct, and maybe even get part of a giveaway, go ahead and check out the live streams. You feel me? Without further ado, let's go and get to what's in this box, you dig? Okay, so the official colorway is Thunder Blue and Photo Blue. This colorway is pretty dope. I've seen a lot of pictures of other colorways and other reviews on YouTube and on Google just in general, and I haven't really seen too many people with this colorway, but I think this colorway is pretty fire. And I actually saw this a while ago and then disappeared, and now it's back. It's like a navy and red colorway. That's one of my favorite color combinations is navy blue and red. I think that goes together. I think it looks fire. And when they put it on a shoe like this, it makes it even better. What do you guys think about this shoe, man? This shoe right here had a lot of mixed feelings for me when I first saw it. And just like a lot of Jordans did when they first came out, I didn't like them at first. And then after seeing them for a while, seeing them on feet a little bit, but then just seeing the design of it and taking a real good look at it, it's a shoe for me that grows on you. I love the 3M hints. I'm not sure if the light's picking it up right now, but we're gonna go, of course, we're gonna get to the details of this shoe with the lights and everything, as well as an on feet. These shoes right here are pretty fire. It's like a little mix of that Air Max 97 with just some whole kind of upper thing that's going on that's pretty fire. Let's get this other shoe out the box, man. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section below. If you guys own a pair of the Air Max Deluxe, please let me know how they're working out for you. Is this a shoe you would cop? You want to cop some more? These are fire, bro. The colorway is crazy. It's like I said, that Thunder Blue and Photo Blue. They have so many other colorways of these, but these ones right here are pretty fire. This whole little wave thing going on over the whole upper is just pretty fire, man. It's too many. Some of it at first I thought this just was like too much, right? But as you see it and up close, and then as you see it on feet when you walking towards, you're gonna see it when I do the on feet. It looks crazy, man. These shoes are pretty fire. The quality of the shoe is pretty nice, man. It got the whole Air Max 97 pretty much midsole and outsole, which is dope. All that Air Max going on. You got like this plastic plate right here. Different, something's kind of different about this back. It's almost like a foam posit material on the back part of the shoe, which adds something to a different thing for a runner. The 3M hints all right here on the outer side of the shoe. Not the medial side, but only on the outer side. Hopefully I said that right. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section below, man. These are fire. The inside is like a different type of cloth, or like a carpet type of cloth, so you definitely have to be conscious of the type of socks you wear with this. You don't want to wear socks that maybe more newer socks or maybe darker color socks, because you'll get all the cotton balls all up in here. Very dope shoe. Air Max Nike check on the inside of the insole. Very, very dope shoe. The colorway is fire, but I want to know what you guys think about this shoe. Is it a copper pass, fire, or trash? The whole outsole is just like the 97 Air Max. And like I was saying, I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep these. I know I want to do a review on the channel for you guys to get your opinion on the shoe. But the other day I was fortunate enough to be able to sell these on my eBay page. These are some really dope Louis Vuittons. And I just happened to go by Foot Locker, Hollywood and Highland, as I always do. And I came across these bad boys, so I wanted to scoop them. And I think I'm going to hold on to them. I think these might go onto my collection because this is a dope runner. And, they're already paid for, you know what I'm saying? So let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section below. Cop, pass, fire, trash. If you own a pair, do you use them for casual wear? Do you work out in them? Let me know what's good with the Air Max Deluxe. This is a fire colorway, that Thunder Blue, OKC Thunder is what I think of, and then that Photo Blue, which I think is dope. Pretty fire, bro, at the end of the day. Next, we're gonna go to the highlights of these shoes and the on feet. Let me know what you guys think. Please smash the like button. Let's try to get this video to at least 100 likes so I can start doing some giveaways. Every video that reaches at least 100 likes, the following video I will do some type of giveaway, whether it's a gift card or something, based on the comment section. You feel me? So make sure you guys following up, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get to these highlights, you dig? Okay, now before we continue with the video, or if you watched the whole video, thank you. I'm not sure where I'm putting this at, but I want to take the time to shout out each and every one of you guys who come out and watch these videos, who subscribe to the channel, who tell your friends about me. You know, I've been doing live streams a lot more recently on the gaming tip, as well as just live streams talking to you guys coming in, we having a good conversation. So shout out to everybody who comes out to the live streams. If you haven't, make sure you check me out. That's why you guys need to have notifications on so you guys can be updated for when I live stream also. And a couple people, maybe 2 or 3 people actually, thank you guys for this, have actually made some donations or some contributions to the channel while I was live streaming. And you know, that really helps out the channel, helps out myself and what I'm doing here, trying to make this my full-time situation and also give back. So, you know, once we already started getting some donations in, it was no reason for me not to do this. So we're not playing, bro. During these live streams and during these videos, for those of you guys who do game like I do, there will be giveaways now for, you know, during, you know, Xbox and PS4. And then, you know, it'll be during my live streams, it'll be during the videos. Like I said, if my videos reach 100 likes at least, the next video, I'll select the winner. So like in that video, you know, spam up the comment section, spam up the like button, get it to 100 likes, and then the next video, I'll do a giveaway. Probably be like a gift card or something like that to start off. And as you guys watch more support comes in from the channel, I'll put right back into it to give it to you guys, man. That's the whole thing. It's about shoes. We bring each other together, and you guys showing me your support, I'll show my support right back to you. So make sure you guys follow your boy, subscribe, hit me up on all social media platforms. Links in the description for everything, man. It's your boy Bossco. I appreciate the love and support. I'm out. Peace.
Own a pair of these Air Max Deluxe. These are fire, bruh. Some people don't like the back part of the shoe, but I think the whole thing is dope. What do you guys think about these? $180 price point. I think the materials they use on here are pretty fire, and they got some dope colorways. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section.